AI image generators are revolutionizing art. Creating stunning images is now easy. Midjourney generates concept art. DALL-E creates realistic portraits. Leonardo AI designs logos. Runway makes animated videos. Let's count down the top tools. Number 5 is Canva with graphics. Number 4 is Perplexity with avatars. Number 3 is ElevenLabs with voices. Number 2 is Claude with illustrations. Number 1 is Notion AI with designs. These tools are free and powerful. ChatGPT helps with writing prompts. Try these tools today and create. Experiment with different styles and models. Unleash your creativity with AI. Discover new tools and features daily. This is part 2 of the free AI tools series. Catch part 3 for more free tools. Subscribe now to stay updated and learn. Don't miss out on the latest AI tools. Hit the subscribe button now and join. Get ready for part 3 of the series. New videos are coming soon with more tools. Learn about the latest AI advancements. Stay ahead of the curve with our channel. Free AI tools are changing the game. Join the AI revolution and subscribe now.